The perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality is right here at the Cottages of Catania. This Majestic Homes Sangria floor plan is designed with an open concept layout that offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths, an expansive culinary space, and a light-filled sunroom. The heart of this home is the chef-inspired kitchen with stunning custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, a massive 5x7 island, stainless steel appliances, and a large walk-in pantry. Perfect for endless entertaining or everyday living. Beautiful and durable LVP flooring flows seamlessly throughout the main living spaces, while a dedicated mudroom adds practical storage and organization. The primary suite features a luxurious custom tile shower, custom closet storage, and ample natural light. Relax year-round in the sunroom or enjoy the warmth of the fireplace and peaceful wooded views. Outside, an impressive 23 by 12 covered patio and an additional 23 by 10 open patio is the perfect setting for entertaining or quiet evenings. The front yard offers an irrigation system complete with rain sensor and a separate water meter. All of this is situated on a half-acre, partially wooded lot with a privacy fence, plus it offers an oversized 3-car garage, plumbed with a gas line for future heater installation. And it's pre-wired for a generator and has curb-cut driveway allowing easy access. Do not miss out on this one. Call Tammy Baumgartner right away.